Hello friends. So today I'm sharing with you a repotting of a plant I received from Planet Desert a few days ago. Gave it a little time to settle in. I actually put it in the sun for a day and just let it get comfortable in its new environment. I cleaned off the roots. Very nice healthy roots. This was the Echinophyllum cactus. And I'm just gonna, I prepped the pot. I put my pumice on the bottom and I filled about a third of the way with my cactus soil, the mix. I'm just gonna add a little bit of Osmocote. And even though I didn't lose many roots, I'm gonna add a little bit of rooting hormone just to protect the whatever roots got broken. I'm sure I broke some. I was really gentle and I didn't lose many. I didn't see many come off, but nevertheless, we take our precautions. I'm really liking this plant because of the dark spines. And it was a gift. Sarah was nice enough to send me this plant. And I always enjoy my gifts a little bit more than the ones I actually pay for. So we're just gonna tap a little bit, work the soil down. Let it settle in. Trying to keep this plant completely centered. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more soil in here. I think I overfilled a little, but we can take some of these larger pebbles out and keep enough room for this new top dressing that I got. I got black lava rock to dress some of my plants in. I thought the black would look good. It'll contrast good right off the white, smaller spikes that are on the plant. They're white. So I think the black gravel rock would look really good. I'm just gonna work this down just a little bit more. Make sure it's nice and tucked in there. You never want a cactus loose. You never want to smother it either, but you don't want it loose. Because once it starts to grow, it's gonna topple over. It'll lose its form. It won't look as good. Okay, that should do it. Ah, by the way, this is very spiky. Short spines, but very sharp and very firm. So let's get the top dressing on here. I like it already. I think the dark dressing gives a certain look of elegance to a plant. Okay. Give it a few more taps, settle everything in. And there you have it. Echinophyllosilo cactus. I know I'm saying it wrong. Just see how it looks against that black dressing. Not nice looking. Love to hear what you think of my new gift. Leave a comment. And also subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And always share with friends. Thank you. Until next time.